Yes. So the buffaloes came to the pond to drink some water and they used to babble, they're going to sit and lie down in the water. He said, "Brother buffaloes, don't go inside, there's no water. The donkey has drunk it up all." So slowly by slowly the shouting and screaming is going on, everyone is blaming the donkey. The donkey is on the other side of the bank. The king of the jungle, the lion came, they said, "Your Majesty, this is what has happened. The stupid donkey has emptied the whole pond. Now how can we survive without water? How shall we live? We need water to live." Everyone is arguing with him. While they were arguing, many other animals, yes, the lion could not believe that the donkey could drink so much of water. He asked the geese, "Are you sure that the donkey drank all the water?" Now the lion is thinking, "A pond, we all drink to water, the water does not finish. How this donkey alone can drink the water?" Then he asked those geese, the swans, that, "Are you sure that he's drunk the water all alone?" One of the geese, they're scared of the lion, quietly says, "Oh yes, Your Majesty. Last time we were here, the pond was full of water. This time, the frog supported them, saying, 'Yes, we definitely remember that we swam in this pond last night, and this morning there is no water.' All the animals agreed. 'Yes, we are sure that this donkey drank all the water. Look at him, he's still drinking now. That poor fellow donkey is quietly drinking his water. He doesn't know. But everyone here has made a meeting and they are blaming him.' The lion decided to punish the donkey, the king of the jungle. They all went up to the donkey on the other bank, on the other side. They all went up to him. He was unaware of what is going on and was still struggling to get enough water out of the dried, muddy pond. He was putting his face in and trying to drink up something. He didn't understand what's happening. They are coming, let them come, I have to drink water. He was horrified to see the king of beasts come towards him. He saw the lion coming towards him. He was really scared, accompanied by hundreds of angry animals. The lion roared, "How dare you drink all the water from this pond?" The poor donkey was stunned and pleaded with the king, "No, my lord, I didn't drink all the water. When I came this morning to drink, the pond was already empty. I am just trying to moisten my dry and thirsty tongue." Shivering, the donkey knelt down and begged, "Please be merciful towards me. I am not guilty." He said the truth. He said, "How do I know? I came in the morning, I saw the pond dry. So whatever little bit water was there, I am trying to just wet my thirsty tongue so that I could feel much better. Please forgive me. I am not guilty. I have not drunk this water." The total crowd of animals were furious at what they imagined to be his pretense and what he's saying, that he's trying to act. At that statement that he's given, that how will I know? The way he was saying, "Oh, I have not done anything." He's trying to make them believe that he's not drunk the water. They fiercely demanded that the lion order his execution, means he should be killed. Execute him. The donkey was very scared and realized that this was the end of his life. Oh my God, now what is going on? He was going to be punished for a crime which he has not done. Right? He began to cry and tears flowed freely from his eyes. He began to cry. Now Indra, I was coming to give this explanation, but it's already there in your book. Indra, the god of heaven, was watching this and took pity on the donkey. With his bow and arrow, he immediately made a heavy rainfall. Water poured down and quickly filled the whole pond. All the animals were very happy, and none of them would have to die from thirst. and the lion decided to spare the donkey's life. Thus, it is believed that a donkey's tears bring rain. This is the story. So, actually, what happened? This is the moral of the story we have to know. It's not only the question answers. In the next class, I'm going to explain you the moral of the story. And after that, we'll go ahead. So, you'll read this chapter properly. Try a very nice story. I would love to watch a cartoon of this. It's going to be really interesting and quite fascinating. So, I'm going to mark it till here 14:9. Explanation left. Okay. See you in the next class. You're going to do the reading and learn the word meanings. Try to understand. Go into the dictionary. I'll see. If you want to be with me, you have to work it my way. My way is a bit hard, lot of work, but at the end of it, you will be a winner. That's my guarantee. Only if you study. If you don't, I have no guarantee. It's all up to you, your life. Okay? So guys, take care and be good and have fun. God bless. Bye bye.